Okay, we're back for that last part of that video. Sorry, I had some technical difficulties there, but I was able to retrieve it. So now we're back, just to catch up where we were. We know a quarter is 69 thousandths of an inch thick. So now what do? We got to find, and we got to figure. So we got to take my height, 6 feet 1 inches tall, convert that into inches. So to do that, what I need to remember is that to do that, which operation would I use? Well, that would be multiplication. Multiplication. And I'm going to do my work over here on the side. Let's see here. Get that out of there. So I'm going to switch to white ink. So I need to take and convert 6 feet 1 inch to inches. Well, I know in 1 foot there are 12 inches. So 6 feet times 12 would be 72 inches, plus 1 inch would be 73 inches altogether. So, but what I need to figure out and reason out is how many quarters in 1 inch. Well, to do that, I'd have to divide, because I have to divide 1 inch divided by the thickness of a quarter, and that's going to give me 14 and a half quarters. So what can I do? Going back over here real quick, what is an operation in math? To think mathematically and talk mathematically, we need to know the operations of math. And these are the 4 operations: addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. And why is vocabulary so important when we're talking about these things? It's like when you were going to high school, you're going to be taking Spanish or French or Chinese. You need to learn the language, the words, in order to understand what the meanings are when they're put together. So that's the same thing applies in math. So going back over here to how would I set up this equation? Well, I've been working on that over here on the side. So now I know that there are 14 and a half quarters in 1 inch. So now I know that, and I know how tall I am. What do? Well, it makes sense to go 73 times 14.5. That would equal, I already did this on my calculator over here, 1,058 quarters. Now, before you get too excited there, remember there are 4 quarters. 4 quarters equal $1. Well, I have to then divide by 4, and that would give me $264.50. So that's what they were asking me for. And so then I would say, well, definitely I want to take the money, my height, and I'm a pretty tall person. So you got to ask yourself this question, and one of the responses when you go into Schoology, you'll find this assignment, the quarters response. It's a Google Doc. You'll open it up and type in your answers and ask yourself that and answer that question. What was your guess? Did you want to take the money or not? Use some of what we have here, which we found out that 14 and a half quarters equals 1 inch. So take your height in feet, convert it to inches, and then multiply that by 14.5. You'll get the number of quarters. And then take and divide that number by 4, and you'll find out how much money you have, and then to see which is the better way to go. So once again, this is Mr. Farrell. Thank you so much for watching this, and I look forward to seeing you in class. And please let me know if you have any questions. Send me an email. I'll get back to you. Thank you very much. Have a great day.